Hello guys, I'm gonna show you if you lost your iPhone, then how to find your iPhone. First of all, you go setting, then you go uh, Face ID, search Face ID, then open you, then down go. After that you up control center, then USB accessory. After that you go privacy and security, then you location open, then on turn on the location service. After that your location alerts, click the location alert, then turn on. uh, then you go then you go the ID, Apple ID, then you find my then you open this three option, find my iPhone three option. You turn on this three option, then click power button and sound button, then you see iPhone findable after power off. So you can findable power up. Please subscribe my channel, and do like.